Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to upload pictures to a folder in Google Drive. This is a great way for backing up your images and sharing albums with others. Let's dive in. First, go to drive.google.com and sign in to your Google account. If you haven't done so yet, Google Drive is a secure way to store and share your important files. To keep things organized, you can store your images in a folder. Click on the plus new button in the top left. Then folder. Give your folder a name. For example, vacation photos or work images or anything you like. And then click create. If you already have a folder ready, go ahead and open it by double clicking it. Once inside the folder, click New again, then File Upload. And now, browse your computer for the pictures you want to upload. You can select multiple images by holding down the Control on Windows or CMD on Mac key while clicking on each image. After selecting the file, click Open. You will see the progress bar in the bottom right as your images upload. If you have a lot of photos, it's a good idea to organize them into subfolders within the main folders. Simply click New, then Folder again inside the main folder, and drag and drop your photos to appropriate folders. And that's it. That's how you upload and organize pictures in a Google Drive folder. It's a great way to store and access your photos from anywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you again in the next video.